Vlog. Today, we're playing Dead Race. Let's get into the video. I don't really know how to edit, but we're just going. I played this couple times. Let's start that. Guys, I'm just gonna be playing Dead Race. I played this couple times. We're in the game now. Oh yes, the class. I'm a miner, so I can mine the ore.
Titinman mo kang sweldo mo, kulang pa gyapon. Di kayong ginagastuan mo doon. Anong ginagastuan mo kahit break ang magkakaon? Hindi ko mapagkaon kung mag-duty ko. Siyempre, ano ang pre, mama? Ano mabakan mo sa pre? Muga, ganon? Ay, pag-iso ng undangan na sobra mo ka magbaligya. Ba? Eh, nanuman, ang sweldo mo kulang kayo sa imo na ko. Hindi mo ang galito po. Ipag-jeep ko pa rin piso sa kanto. Ano makaon ko? Hilong ka mo, hilong. Isang kastelman, wala ka pag sobra mas piso. Pila na ka to live mo dala? Ha?
We go now. Let's dive and see something. Dude, if we're dead, we're dead, dude. I don't even know if I can do it. It's 1 p.m. So it's okay. I have a revolver too. Don't worry. Oh yeah, there's someone's ready. Do you think I can kill them? I don't think so. Let's see. Ah, I'm sacrificing my life. I'm sacrificing my life. Dude, I'm sacrificing my life. Shoot. I haven't done anything. What we can see here? I don't even know. 5 p.m. It's okay, boy. It's 5 p.m. Dead on arrival. Stamp on that. A lot of gold. This is so freaking amazing, man. Welcome to the Thanos world. Boy, anxiety is over my right now. I can't even know. I don't even know, dude. Boy, it's gonna be midnight. 9 p.m. is the midnight, right? Yep, it's 9 p.m. See that? Can you see it? The distance? It's almost night. Look at the distance. Boy, now it's night. Oh, shit. We can make it, right? I think we can make it. Boy, I'm scared, dude. I read a town. Boy, the Navy is OP. Look, there's a town. I think this is a town. Yep, it's a town. Nice. I'm not wasting my time in there.
Nag-away pa mo ka? Ako chat ako ka na.
Oh yeah, guys, this is a brand new account. My NAS just got hacked. I don't know. If you search my name, it had a different name. It had famous hacker. Like famous and HKR. I promise, guys. The last item I wear is a bacon hair, but now it's back to my original item. I think someone is really hacked my account. But it's okay, I have a new account. This name is Brakin. Brakin underscore 2. I'm just gonna put it below.
Wednesday, practice na to balik. Wednesday, practice. Ay, di ka Wednesday mo na lang masjid na mo. Kaya nagka-Thursday, practice sa zone. Kaya Friday kay pamuway daw. Ano? Kaya last Saturday. 10 weeks. Ito mo.
Let's see what is there in the general store. This cold. I'm just gonna buy ammo. It's nice to buy ammo. I'm just put coal. I'm gonna put coal. It's full with the ammo. I don't even know if you can make the 30. I just make in 30 like 5 times, but I don't have any victory, dude. It's so hard. Can someone help me? Comment below. We're now going to go back, and now I don't need zombies. I have coal. Oh no, I have no save now. It's okay. Oh yeah, there's a house. Yo, house. Oh no, and there's pump, 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 pump. Oh shit. Don't get too close to me. There's a freaking horse, dude. You realize there's no unity. There is some bandits here. You get one horse. Oh, thanks. Nice. I thought there is a unicorn. Womp womp. Womp womp you all. There's someone here? I think so. There's this one. Boy, it's a freaking trash. It's trash. Oh yeah, the Sterling. Sterling stuff. Sterling. Sterling sounds like Bonds. I'm releasing a shirt right now. I don't think someone will buy. Wait. Oh no! I failed you guys. But goodbye. See you again. And like and subscribe.